Today, we're breaking down the pro's blueprint for finding those high-probability trading setups.
Okay, let's dive into this. The biggest mistake is trading on gut feeling instead of a real plan.
So we'll show you the three-part framework pros use to find A-plus setups step by step.
Before anything else, you've got to identify the market's direction. Think of this as your guide. It's pretty simple. An uptrend makes higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend makes lower ones.
So, the crucial point here is to always trade with the trend, not against it.
Okay, next up, you're going to mark the key zones on your chart where price has turned around before.
And definitely pay attention to zones on the 4-hour or daily charts. They carry way more weight.
But why does price move between these zones? Well, it's not random at all.
It's all driven by a search for liquidity. These are big pools of orders that smart money targets.
And this shows you how large players often push price to these levels to fuel their moves.
So let's move to the next step. You've found your setup, but you don't enter the trade yet.
You have to wait for the market to show its hand with one of these clear signals.
This is a critical rule. If you don't get a clearer signal, you just stay out.
Look, even the best setup can fail. This is why risk management is your key to survival.
And here's the magic number. You should never, ever risk more than this on one trade. You need to know your exit points before you enter. And make sure your profit is double your risk.
Okay, so let's see exactly what this looks like in action with a complete A-plus trade setup. Just notice how every single one of our conditions has to be met before a trade is even considered.
The entry and exits are planned out precisely based on structure, not based on emotion.
You know, this blueprint works, but making it work long-term, that requires serious discipline.
And this is really what you should take away. Success is built on these 4 pillars of practice.
So, the crucial point is that you're in control here. This is a business, not a casino.
So, think about your own process. What's the one thing you can start to improve on today?